listen to one more song and then we'll actually do the video. I just recorded 9 whole minutes of myself dancing instead of doing my actual job of filming a video. Hello everyone, welcome back. Welcome if you are new, we are glad to have you. We love to have new people around these parts. My name is Leandra, all of my socials are Lion of Stone, and today I'm bringing you an autumn haul. I love a good haul video. I think everyone loves a good haul video. If you've watched any of my previous videos, you might be aware that I have been doing a bit of a wardrobe rebuild. So I went through all my stuff, tried everything on, cleared out a bunch of it, then went through and kept track of what I was actually wearing and what I was wanting to be wearing, like the things that I felt like were missing, the things that I felt like I wanted to include into my wardrobe. And we are finally in the shopping phase, and I think it's fortuitous. Is that the word? That it happened to kind of fall in the autumn because it's my favorite season to shop for, my favorite season to dress for, and it just made it a really nice, easy transition into things that I'm quite excited about. So without much further ado, let's just jump straight into the, I was going to say outfits, but it's not outfits, it's items of clothing. This will be a try-on haul as well, so yeah, stay tuned to see all of that. I think let's start with sort of miscellaneous accessory items and then go straight into the actual clothing items because that just seems easier, and also they're on top of my pile. So first up, I got these fun little face masks. They're not really clothing or something I can try on for you, but they're really fun. I just drop everything these days. I don't know when I turned into such a butterfingers. I've got a hot cocoa one and a pumpkin spice one. Very autumnal, very seasonally appropriate. I've had the pumpkin spice one before. It's great, highly recommend. They're like £1 each. They're more than that. I don't remember how much they are, I'm not gonna lie to you. Got them at Boots. They're also available on Asos. Good times, good fun. Just thought I'd mention them because I think they're fun. So from Asos, I got these little earrings. I'm not really sure how I'm supposed to show them off, but you can kind of see them. They keep swaying about. They're like a gold dangly earring. They're heart-shaped. They're lots of fun. Not really exclusively autumnal, but I feel like a big bold earring like this, a cozy scarf or sweater, and like some jeans, and you look great. So yeah, I don't know, that was me trying to justify them as a specifically autumnal purchase, but they're not. They're just cute, and I bought them, and it's autumn. An absolute must for me during the autumn winter are touchscreen gloves. I had some last year. I don't know what's happened to them, so I got myself a new pair. These ones are fun. They're gray. Wherever that lighter gray is are touchscreens. They work with phones, which is great for when you want to take those cute like selfies in the winter and you don't want your hands to freeze. They're just gloves. I don't really know what else to say about them, except that they're kind of cozy. I like the sort of texture, not a texture, the, I know words, I promise. I'm good at English. I wrote a book. What I'm trying to say is I like that it's not just like a solid color. It's got some like interest to that pattern on the glove. Shoes. I got this pair of shiny black loafers from Asos. I really like them. I just wanted a new pair of work shoes. I got one pair, wanted another pair so I can mix it up sometimes if I want to. Plus, I saw lots of fun loafers on Pinterest and I decided that I wanted a pair. So these are fun. They're like a shiny material all the way around and then a bit of like a faux suede on the toe area with just like a little band, which is cute. Teeny bit of a heel. It makes a very satisfying sound when I walk around in them. And yes, very much a fan of these. I've got 2 scarves to show you today. Scarves? I don't know. This one I actually bought in the summer and I've been waiting very patiently to wear it. And now that it's like 5 degrees out, I've decided that that is time. It's just a basic soft sort of creamy white one. It's got fringe down the bottom and this little sparkly detail. And this little sparkly detail here, it is Moschino. It's from the Boutique line. They're like ready to wear, more affordable line. I really like Moschino. I have a lot of fun watching their shows every time they have a show and looking at what they're designing. So when I saw this while I was in Italy, I had to buy it. It's not like the most like Moschino item, obviously, but I just enjoy it and I like it and it makes me feel fancy. So there we go. And I was going to say on the complete other end of the spectrum, but they actually did a collaboration with Moschino, so not the complete other end. This one is from H&M. It's super soft. It's not quite a blanket. Well, no, it's pretty much a blanket scarf. It's great. It's really big, really cozy. It's quite neutral colors, but the plaid pattern, so it makes it quite fun. And it's got this hint of like, I don't know, I can't decide if it's like black or navy or gray, so I've been wearing it with all combinations of the above. Very warm, very cozy. I was really worried it was going to smell like a campfire because I wore it to bonfire night last night, but it doesn't smell like one, so A star for that. Again, it's got a little bit of fringe down the bottom, just very cozy. It's so funny to me, this is a weird little aside tangent, it's so funny to me that I bought this because like 4 years ago I would have been like, it's not cold enough in the winter to justify a big scarf like that. And now that I've lived in England for 6.5 years, it'd be cold. Let me just show this one quickly because I literally took it out of the laundry to do this, and because I forgot that I needed it for this video and I wore it. This is just a little cream white-ish sweatshirty thing. I love a sweatshirt. I've spoken about this before. I think sweatshirts are great. I would live in sweatshirts. I pretty much do live in sweatshirts. I think they're a lot of fun. They're great basic, great for layering. I'm a fan. This one is from H&M. It's just like a very basic staple piece. Great for layering with. That's what I've been using it for mostly. And this one does a little bit smell like campfire. Again, because I wore it to bonfire night. Put that back in the laundry. Next up, also from H&M, is this lovely skirt. I think it's really amazing. Obviously these sort of like midi length satiny skirts have been super trendy lately, like everyone's been wearing them. This one is this like fun, I was gonna say gorgeous and then I changed it to fun right at the last moment. I don't know why I do that. I think I'm like worried that if I say something's gorgeous it makes me sound like stupid, and I don't know why, because I really like this color. I do think it's a really pretty color, and a color that I always feel like kind of suits me. There's me holding up to my face, like agree or disagree. I think it suits me and I feel really lovely whenever I wear a color like this, so that's why I got this skirt. Moving on, suddenly I like pink. I don't know, I would have never pegged myself as someone who liked pink, but I just have several pink things now in my closet, and I like them all. So I bought this jumper. It's from Miss Selfridge. I got it on Asos. It just is a very simple pink jumper, but it's got this fun added detail in the sleeve of this like crisscross pattern. I think it's super fun. I think that's going to be fun for like when it gets super cold and it can like have a different color peeking through, but also when it's just is like a little bit chilly during the day and I need like something that I can kind of wrap up in a little bit. That's going to be just really fun, and I think it adds something to this otherwise pretty basic piece that makes it a bit more unique and a bit more fun, and that's really key I think when it comes to styling and buying items that are like basic. This is another one that I got on Asos. It's a obviously yellow plaid skirt. I think it's lots of fun. It's made of a really stretchy like jersey material, but it's super soft and quite thick as well, so it's going to be nice in the winter time. It has a zipper all the way down the front, a little bit of hardware, but it's still subtle enough that like it's not too much in my opinion. It's also got some sparkle to it, which I couldn't tell on the website, and I don't know how well it's going to pick up on this camera either, but I think that's just an interesting little detail as well because it's got this like gold sort of shimmer woven through it. Lots of fun. I wore this with an otherwise all black outfit, like tights, boots, jumper, the whole 9 yards, and that was really fun, but I also think it's going to be cute to style in other ways, and I'm really looking forward to seeing what I can come up with using this piece as my starting point. I also feel like it's like Cher Horowitz, but like make it emo. You know what I mean? So this is I'm leaning back, I'm like pulling back now so I can try and show the whole thing. This is just a knit jumper dress. It goes all the way down about to the knee, and it's obviously quite oversized, so I plan to belt it. I tried it on with a belt. I think that's going to be the cutest way to wear it, like a belt and some knee-high boots. Great. Sleeves are a little long, so I've just cuffed them, but I don't mind doing that. I think that's cute. I just think that this is going to be so nice on like if you're going for a meal like in the evening when it's a bit colder, or like as we get into winter when you just want to bundle up a little bit more. It's obviously like a proper turtleneck as well, so you are just cozy as all hell. You are warm. You are not you are not gonna be cold in this with or without a jacket. You're ready. And I'm very much looking forward to wearing this and being cozy and having nothing but warmth. The trouble with filming haul videos is I run out of different things to say about clothing about the midway point, and from there on it's just completely downhill. Next up, a turtleneck. I don't actually own any proper turtlenecks. I only own like mock necks, but this one was from Primark again and was like £6, I think. I don't know. It's navy blue, which is nice because I normally go for black rather than like a navy color. So this is going to be a cool piece to use and wear just differently and with different things, which is going to be fun for me. And I always like a little bit of variety. There you go. It's obviously quite a thin material, but it sits quite close to the skin, which will be good for like if I want to layer it with like a fun jacket, or do that thing that I see girls on like Instagram doing all the time where they have a turtleneck and then like a loose t-shirt. I don't know how I feel about that vibe, but we'll find out together. Also from Primark, I just picked up a couple of pairs of leggings. They are the cozy ones, so they're like kind of fleece lined, they're a bit thicker. I kind of accidentally got a size too small, so it gives a little bit of a camel, not gonna lie. But for just wearing around the house or with like longer tops and things, with a dress, with the jumper dress, if I really am like really cold, they're gonna be perfect for that, just probably not without something to cover that region. Yeah, I got a black one and I got a burgundy one just to shake it up a little bit. They were £5 each. This is from Asos. I really like this style of pencil skirt from Asos. I own it in a red color, but I just needed a black one because I don't have a black one at all, and I just feel like it's something that's quite classic and that you can wear in a lot of different ways, and was something that I was definitely missing in my wardrobe. So I've got just this black pencil skirt. It's a really nice material, really comfortable, a little bit stretchy without it being like a full jersey material, so it's definitely easy to dress up for like work or going to church or whatever, but then it's still casual enough that you can definitely dress it down and look and be a lot more, I don't know what word I was going to use there. I think casual, but I'd already used casual in that sentence. I think. I've kind of already forgotten. And then finally, I bought this black dress. It's from Boohoo. I got it on Asos because I don't shop anywhere but Asos pretty much. It's very pretty. I don't know where I'm going to wear it. Probably just to church. I don't really have events to wear dresses all that often. But it has these really fun wide sleeves that just like kind of flutter about. It's a long dress. It comes to just below the knee. And it has this fun tie detail in the front. It's actually untied at the minute. But you'll see it in the try-on clip. It's sort of hard to tell how much this like mass of black picks up on camera. So it's got this fun tie detail in the front and then like a keyhole cut out here. It's a little bit, my only thing with this dress is that the keyhole's a little bit long, not just from a sense of like it's showing my boobs, because like it doesn't show my boobs. That's what's weird, is that it's not like it's a keyhole to be like, oh here, we'll give you a little bit of cleavage. It's just supposed to be like a little keyhole thing. But it goes down a little bit too low, and then once it's tied up, it just sort of sits a little bit strange, like it doesn't show anything, so you can't even tell that it's that long. I don't know. My mom's like, well, we'll just sew it up and that'll fix that problem. And I'm like, okay. So I'm gonna let her sew that up because I can't sew. It's a life skill I probably should have, but I don't. But yeah, anyway, I just think this dress is really pretty. I think that I'll probably just end up wearing it to like church when it gets a little bit colder. Because I don't really have occasions to wear this. I already said that. I'm repeating myself. See, this is what I mean about not knowing what to say and running out of things to say. I just end up saying the same thing a million times. That is the end of the haul. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, give it a like, give it a comment. Makes my day, helps me out, makes me happy. All good things. And I will see you guys next week. Bye!